Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, we are going to start or we are going to continue the Playwright series in which we are going to discuss type of testing. So what are the different types of testings? Manual, automation, regression and smoke. Let's discuss this. Software testing is performed to verify application quality and identify defects. Okay, what is software testing? Verify application quality and identify defects. First one is, let's say, manual testing. What is manual testing? Testing performed manually without using automation tools. Okay, that is called manual testing. Tester executes test cases manually, verifies application behavior, reports defects. Example, login testing. Suppose login testing. Tester manually checks username, password, login button, error message. So basically it will enter username, enter password, click on login button, and just in case if any error message is there, he need to check that. Okay. What are the advantages? Human observation, easy for UI validation, useful for exploratory testing. Okay. What are the disadvantages of manual testing? Time consuming, repetitive work, less efficient for regression. What are the common use cases? UI testing, layout validation, exploratory testing, ad hoc testing, usability testing, user experience. The next one is automation testing. What is automation testing? Definition is testing performed using automation tools or scripts. Purpose: execute repetitive test cases automatically. What are the common automation tools? First one is Selenium. Selenium is web automation. Playwright, modern UI automation. TestNG, test execution. Postman, API testing. Okay, these are the tools commonly used in automation. These are the commonly used automation tools. Example, automation script. Suppose, what are the script? Opens browser, enters login credentials, that is, let's say, username, password, and validate dashboard. Okay. What are the advantages of automation testing? Advantages: faster execution, reusable scripts, CI/CD integration, parallel execution. Okay. And what are the disadvantages? Initial setup effort, requires programming skills. So it is required programming knowledge, skills. What are the real-time use? Used heavily in regression testing, API testing, CI/CD pipelines. First one is regression testing. The definition: testing performed after code changes, enhancements, bug fixes to ensure existing functionality still works correctly. Okay. Developer fixes payment bug. Regression testing checks login, search, cart, checkout still work properly. Okay. And purpose: prevent side effects, ensure system stability. Types: partial regression, that is test impacted area. Full regression, test complete application. Automation role: regression testing is usually automated because frequent execution required, large number of test cases. Then next is smoke testing. Definition: basic testing performed to verify critical functionalities are working before detailed testing starts. Purpose: verify build stability, decide whether build is testable. Example: after deployment, tester checks application launches, login works, home page opens. Smoke testing characteristics. Feature, scope, small, execution time fast, focus, critical features. Then smoke versus regression testing. Smoke testing, basic validation. Regression testing, detailed validation. Smoke testing, small test set. Regression testing, larger test set. Smoke testing checks build stability. Regression testing checks side effects. Real-time agile workflow. New build received. Smoke testing, detailed functional testing, regression testing, and a release. Okay. Then real-time banking application. Manual verify UI manually. Automation run playwright scripts. Regression validate old features. Smoke verify app launch or login. In testing pyramid, that is unit testing, API testing, UI testing, automation is heavily used at all levels. In interview questions, what is manual testing? Testing performed manually without tools. What is automation testing? Testing using automated scripts or tools. What is regression testing? Testing existing features after changes or fixes. What is smoke testing? Basic validation to ensure build stability. Real-time interview answer. You can say manual testing validates application behavior manually. Automation testing uses tools or scripts. Regression testing ensures existing functionality works after changes, and smoke testing verifies build stability before detailed testing. Okay. In one line summary, you can tell different testing types are used to validate application quality, stability, and functionality at different stages of development. Okay. So these are the different types of testing. Okay. Okay. So that's it for this session. I will come up with some new session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe the channel, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys.